All right, so 23 CRV. Why do I know that? We are taking the radio out, or display. See my fingers? We got one guy and two guys. And we got screws, one here and one on the other side right there. Those were these guys. But you gotta pull this up out of the way, utilizing that puppy. I got back here first because I saw the bend was bending here, so there was no clip, so I went back toward here and gently, Wesley, gently pried this whole puppy up out of the way to expose those two screws. Now, with the push button start, getting that out of the way with this video, all I had to do was pull this guy out, slowly pull this whole panel out. All right, that exposes two more screws that are one right there that's missing, one that's right there that's missing. Now you don't have to take them out all the way. I did. Just gotta be careful if you do, because if you do drop it, you're definitely losing them. So I'm gonna make sure these puppies are back in, obviously, because we don't want to be ruining people's cars. So with that being said, we're going to pry upward, and that's what you're going to get. And that's the tablet. And here you go. So those 4 clips hold this radio in. So you get the idea. I don't have to take the whole thing apart. This is another clip. So there you go. Whole puppy's out. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.